Hi, welcome to Giant, where PacPro supplies equipment to stack Hatfield and Smithfield bacon.
Welcome to PacPro Inc.'s factory in Souderton, PA. The Upper Moreland Middle School has had the pleasure of visiting their facility for the What's the Coolbit manufacturing video competition.
Here at PacPro, we manufacture interleavers and stackers.
But what are interleavers and stackers?
An interleaver is a machine that puts slips of wax paper in between bacon and other foods.
Then, that food is stacked by a stacker into neat piles for packaging and delivery to places like Giant.
We use a 3D modeling software called SolidWorks.
We have two 3D printers here. We have a Raise 3D and a MakerBot. We make use of that, especially for prototyping or R&D projects.
The biggest challenge for me is making sure that in the program everything is all aligned and assembled correctly with no interferences, so that when it's assembled they don't run into any issues out on the floor.
So I lead our engineering teams, our production teams, our machining teams.
I'm a mechanical assembler, so I build machines.
We make the parts that are not able to be machined, so therefore we have to somehow put at least two pieces of metal together.
I check all the electrical work, the mechanical work, make sure that the machine functions properly, and make any changes to the machines that need to be made to make the machine perfect for industry standards.
So I'm an electrician and I wire up the machines and make them work.
I went to Lincoln Tech several years after I had graduated. I got to work with motors, contactors, relays. I got to get to know how a machine works. And I went to Indianapolis to become a food industry technician, which is FIT, which did go more in depth into this type of food industry wiring.
So we run email campaigns and things like that, but social media lately has been very, very useful for us.
Now you know how foods like bacon are interleaved and stacked by PacPro machines. And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.